To enter recovery mode on Redmi Note 14 Pro, first we need to power off our device, and we can do it by holding a power button like this, and then you will see a power menu and you can slide down to power off your phone. If you don't see a power menu with holding a power button, click on the power button and volume up button, then you should be able to see it. So now when our device is powering off, wait a few moments till it's fully powered off, and then click on the volume up button and the power button right here at the same time. Then hold them, and when you see the Redmi logo appears, then let go of the power button. So just follow my fingers and then you should be alright. And here we are in the recovery mode.